everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download and install the Spotify on your Windows PC so that you can enjoy your favorite songs and podcasts anytime. You can directly open up your browser and type in spotify.com/download. So type in spotify.com/download. And once you access it up the particular website, you can directly look out for the download option for Spotify. So once the page loads, you can look out for the download option, this one right here, and click on it. And once you click on it, you will be taken to another window right here. You can download it from your Microsoft Store or directly download it from your Spotify as well. You can use any of the method available. So for example, let's say we would like to download it directly from Spotify. Once you click on it, the file should be downloaded. You can just go over and open up the exe file now and double click on it. And once you double click on it, it should start downloading the Spotify. You can wait about for some minutes and wait for the installer to finish installing the Spotify for yourself. And it will automatically open Spotify once it is done. Like this right here. Now you can just go ahead and log in if you're not logged in. And that's it. Now you have your Spotify on your PC, ready to play all of your playlists and podcasts and more. And do not forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you.